You were caught up in other activities, so you could not start learning at the beginning of the semester like your friends. These are 5 things you are supposed to do to be ready to pass the exam to move to the next level. Stay calm, because you need the right mindset to implement what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, the first thing is to get a photocopy of the notes of the best student in the class. Don't try to read the whole textbook. Go through these notes, study it, and you have an idea of the major concepts that were taught in class. The second thing to do is to ask your teachers what areas to focus on in order to pass the exams. I don't think the primary aim is to complete the syllabus, but the primary aim is actually to pass the exams. The third thing to do is to move to a distraction-free environment and study for a protracted number of hours. Now, to be able to study for a protracted number of hours, you need to take short breaks, maybe 5 to 9 minutes break for every 35 minutes of focused studying. The fourth thing to do is to try to understand rather than just cramming. If you have any questions or doubts, write them down. After your study session, go to a friend or teacher to get answers. Don't be asking questions while you are studying. It's going to waste your time. So you might be drifted away from the focus, which is completing the syllabus. The fifth and final point is to use past papers. Use these past papers to judge your competency in a particular topic. You will know you are ready for the exam or test when you can answer these past papers. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Now, if you want to stay consistent as a student, kindly click on the video floating on the screen.